Welcome to the channel Freema Language. This is the place where English becomes simple, confident, and real. Let me ask you something important. Have you ever known the answer in English, but your mouth stayed silent? Have you ever felt nervous, scared, or unsure when someone asked you to speak English? If yes, this video is for you. Today, you will learn how to learn English fast and how to overcome the fear of speaking English. Not tomorrow, not someday. Before we begin, please like this video, subscribe to Freema Language, and comment below. I can speak English. Even if you don't believe it yet, write it. Your brain is listening. The biggest lie about learning English is the idea that you must be perfect before you speak. This belief stops millions of learners around the world. You do not learn English by being perfect. You learn English by being brave. Babies do not wait to speak perfectly. They speak first, they make mistakes, and then they improve. If you are waiting to feel ready, you will wait forever. Speaking comes before confidence, not after. You do not need perfect English, you need practice. Fear is not your enemy. Fear is simply a signal. When you speak English, your brain worries about mistakes, judgment, and embarrassment. But mistakes are not failure. They are proof that you are learning. Even native English speakers make mistakes every day, but they continue speaking. Confidence is not the absence of fear. Confidence is speaking even when fear is present. When you feel afraid, it means you are growing. If you want to learn English fast, stop focusing on memorizing grammar rules and long word lists. Fast learners focus on speaking and repeating. They do not wait for the perfect moment. They use the language every day. Progress comes from action, not from perfection. English improves when you use it, not when you study it silently. English learning begins with listening. Your brain needs to hear English before it can speak it naturally. Listen to short videos, podcasts, conversations, and simple content every day. You do not need to understand everything. Understanding most of the message is enough. Just like music, you feel the rhythm before you know all the words. Listening builds natural understanding and prepares your brain to speak. You do not need other people to practice speaking English. You can practice alone. Speak out loud about your day, your thought, and what you are doing. For example, say, "I am watching a video," or "I feel motivated today." It may feel strange at first, but it works because speaking is a physical skill. Your mouth and ears need training. Even 5 minutes a day makes a difference if you are consistent. Many learners think they must use advanced English to sound fluent, but this is not true. Simple English is powerful. Clear sentences help people understand you, and understanding is more important than complex grammar. Fluency is about flow, not big words. When you speak simply and clearly, communication becomes easier and confidence grows naturally. Translating every sentence from your native language into English makes speaking slow and stressful. Learn English in phrases and common expressions. Your brain remembers patterns better than single words. When you learn phrases like, "I'm not sure," or "let me think," your speech becomes faster and more natural. Over time, English will come to your mind without translation. When you speak English, most people are not judging your grammar. They are listening to your message. Communication matters more than perfection. If someone reacts negatively, remember that your courage is more important than their opinion. Every time you speak English, you become stronger. Fear disappears through action, not waiting. Do not treat English like a school subject. Make it part of your life. Change your phone language, listen to English music, watch videos in English, and think in English when possible. At first, it feels slow and difficult, but with time, it becomes natural. When English is part of your routine, learning becomes easier and faster. You only need 10 minutes a day to improve your English. Spend a few minutes listening, a few minutes repeating sentences out loud, and a few minutes speaking freely about your day or thoughts. This simple routine builds confidence, fluency, and clarity. Small daily actions create big results over time. You are not bad at English. You are not too late. You are learning, and learning takes courage. Every mistake is progress, and every sentence makes you better. Believe that your English is improving every day, even when you cannot see it yet. Growth is happening. If this video helped you, please like it, subscribe to Freema Language, and comment, "I speak English with confidence." Remember, you do not need perfect English. You need your voice. Thank you for learning with Freema Language, and I'll see you in the next video.